Hey there, budget buddies. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget, you might find yourself needing to shuffle money around between categories. Maybe you overspent on groceries and need to pull from your entertainment fund, or perhaps you've got extra in savings that you want to allocate elsewhere. Whatever the reason, moving money in YNAB is straightforward and keeps your budget balanced. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it with confidence. First things first. Open up your YNAB app or head to the website and log in. Once you're in, navigate to your budget overview. That's the main screen where all your categories are listed. Look for the category you want to move money from. For example, let's say you have $100 in dining out that you need elsewhere. Now, click on that category to open its details. You'll see an option that says Move Money or something similar. It's usually right there in the menu. Go ahead and select it. YNAB will prompt you to choose the destination category. Scroll through your list and pick the one you want to transfer to, like groceries or emergency fund. Next, enter the amount you want to move. Be precise. YNAB doesn't like guesses. After that, double-check everything to make sure you're not accidentally draining a category you need. Hit Confirm or Save, and voila, the money is transferred. One quick tip. Always keep an eye on your available funds. YNAB is all about giving every dollar a job, so moving money helps you stay on track without overspending. If you mess up, don't worry, you can always undo it right away. There you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you're now a pro at managing your categories in YNAB. Give it a try next time your budget needs a tweak, and remember, a well-managed budget leads to less stress and more financial freedom. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more budgeting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.